Enough with van meetups, festival and friends, let's get back to exploring a castle to attend. Join us today, a girly outing, Tia and me, out in hot weather, a beautiful location roaming free. From the tiniest castle we took you last time, to a humongous fortress that will follow after this rhyme, wandering the maze of the chambers within, walking the footsteps where past occupants have been. Lost in a castle, can we escape, flashing our underwear and a cool frappe? Supernatural presence with a ghost story to tell. As we visit the most haunted heritage site, let's hope it ends well. Sit back and relax as we take you along, wasting no more of your time, let's get off and not prolong. We are the travels of Ethel, trying our best to explore, adventure and experience, making the most of this life we have been blessed. We are heading off and have decided to go to... Where are we going?
I can't remember. A castle.
A castle, Bolsover Castle. What is that about?
Are you on my steering wheel?
Yes, I am.
Leave my steering wheel alone.
Seriously? Could anybody else drive with a steering wheel like that? Leave us a comment.
It's so embarrassing.
It's a boiling hot day today. We have just decided that the first stop has got to be McDonald's for a frappe of some form. And I forgot my sunglasses.
Why are you pulling round me like I'm like that stupid lady idiot?
Oh my god. So Tia's questionable driving.
My questionable driving. This is my lane. That's the second time someone's tried to do that to me.
Can you identify your common denominator there?
Idiot men. Can we have 2 of the mango and pineapple smoothies?
Me and Tia have just arrived at Bolsover Castle and I've got to say, that is where we've parked. Parking for this location for such a massive, beautiful castle is rubbish. We have arrived at Bolsover Castle. We're English Heritage membership members, so we've got in free on our passes. Well, I say free, but we do pay for it. And the castle is absolutely magnificent. We've been here once before for like a Halloween tour, weren't it? Where it was like a scare fest, and that were really good. It'd be nice to explore it in the daylight. Bolsover Castle is located in the northeast of the English country of Derbyshire. It is a well-maintained building with kept grounds and gardens under the care of the English Heritage. Open to the public all year round, to wander in and around the structure, it also hosts events. These range from spooky ghost walks, historical tours, dramatic reenactments and many more to suit all tastes and passions. We are into the courtyard of Bolsover Castle, and here behind me is the biggest and oldest tree here. Can't remember how old it's anywhere, but I'll find out. Choosing the height of summer for our visit, we opted to explore the 17th century castle that lies on the earthworks and ruins of the previous 12th century medieval castle. Basking in the sunlight, the rainbow of colours found in the gardens gave life and warmth to the old cold stone walls surrounding the perimeter of the huge and dominant castle. On this super hot day, it's the first time in ages that I'm glad to go inside a dark dungeon because at least it's cool. Originally, it was the Peveril family in the 12th century that began the build of the castle, which became property of the crown in 1155. Barons led by King Henry II's son revolted against the king's rule, and £116 was spent on Bolsover and Peveril Castle by Henry. However, regardless of the revolt and kings ascending the throne, the crown maintained possession of both Bolsover and Peveril castles until Ferrer's forces forced siege in 1217. The castle was soon returned to the crown's ownership in 1223, and over the following 20 years the structures saw huge development with the addition of 4 towers, damages repaired, and the keep was reinstated to its full glory.
Can you get your teacup, please?
That's me got rid of a kid. Say it here. Alright, I'll let you out if you promise to keep your bedroom tidy. Clambering up each story of the castle, elevating ourselves through the levels of history to become submerged in, we found artefacts, secret passages, artworks and models as we worked our way up to the heights of the castle wall walk. Entering the castle below ground level, we explored the maze of cellar rooms, welcoming the cold temperature offered in sanctuary to the uncomfortable heat outside. We weaved naively into the working rooms of the history of the building. It was refreshing to identify the function and focus of each chamber entered. With well-lit rooms and an array of doorways and chambers to explore, Bolsover Castle is one of the best heritage sites we have ventured so far. The decor and building of the castle was continued by Cavendish's 2 sons, influenced by an Italian architect, Inigo Jones. Evidence of this can be seen throughout. Oh my god, we have just stepped into the grandest room I think I've seen here. Look at the gold.
Basically, back in the olden days, they used to fold napkins that were fine art, and this is one. So fun.
Basically, I'm vlogging with my daughter and she's crap, and then I've told her to vlog and she started taking Michael out there because she's like 18 and so funny. Stepping back into the rays of the sun heat, we were blown away with the panoramic views. Offering a breathtaking view of the prominent castle, we admired the sun-kissed grounds encased within the strong and safe walls. It happens to be the nicest day, but the minute we get onto the wall, it becomes the windiest day. And I've just nearly flashed my entire pants to everybody.
My dress is coming out.
Kirsten!
I'm in a dress.
You're not even moving your hips.
Look, I'm in a big dress. I am moving, I promise.
We are now getting off of this hill, this walk, because it's like we're going to rename it Flasher Walkway. Bit of pole dancing going off in the star chamber. Bolsover Castle has seen its fame rise over more recent years. In July 2015, it was the chosen host for the Antiques Roadshow. In 2021, Lucy Worsley told the story of the castle on BBC4, and scenes from James Eyre were filmed on the grounds of the estate. These guys are very serious. So I'd love to go into this room because I'm liking to go into every room, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. That there is not what I'm about. I'm not sure what I expected coming to an old castle, but I ain't walking in no doorway where a spider could be on my hair. Not really sure how me, dumb and even dumber, have done it, but we're a bit lost in this castle, can't find his way out. We found it. I literally thought that were end of travels of Ethel. Thought we were going to die in dungeons, what is it, Bolsover Castle? Never there is where we should have come out. We've just been round in this bit that's all renovated and it's like proper rooms, but there's also all of the old bit that's not all renovated. It's not even got a roof on. In 2017, the castle was voted the most haunted site by English heritage staff as a result of the reports of ghoulish activities where voting took place over 400 plus castles, abbeys, historical houses and places. The grounds of Bolsover were built on an ancient burial ground, and it also overlooks the town once described as the Satanic capital of Britain. Staff have reported on uncountable occasions mysterious footsteps, muffled voices, slamming doors, cold sensations, and even being pushed unexplainably. A ghostly figure of a young boy has been seen holding the hands of visitors as they have strolled around the grounds. Evening guards have detailed descriptions of unexplained lies, echoing screams that bounce off the cold, dark walls of the castle, which got louder and louder as they have walked away from the castle, only to find an empty room on their return. It is not only the staff who have witnessed these unexplained events. Many visitors have spoken of objects moving, orbs of light, pinchers, and have even seen the previous occupant, William Cavendish, wandering the passages alone. Note to self, don't ever be deceived by the lovely summer calm day. I flashed my underwear, my arse and my vagina about 15 times to the people around Bolsover Castle. I do apologise if you're watching this video. Next time I'm wearing a pair of cycling shorts. I had a fantastic time travelling around and exploring Bolsover Castle. We really do recommend it. It's really well maintained and there is absolutely loads of events and activities. We really do recommend coming to the Halloween one. It's fantastic.
Make sure you like and subscribe and comment.
And ring the notification bell if you want to know where we're up to next.